Shay Spectrum. I am your host, Shay. On this channel today, I am going to be getting this natural hair that I have straightened back to its curly state. I'm going to take y'all on that full journey today, from how I'm going to shampoo and conditioner, to deep condition, to using the wet line gel product. I've seen so many different influencers use this on their wash and goes, and so I wanted to try this out for you guys. If you have any recommendations that you want me to try, please make sure that you comment down below.
On my own, but I don't know why you hit the road, but you don't realize I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back. I don't know why she told me it's not your fault, but you don't realize that I never wonder what's the truth in your eyes. There's a light that makes me blush. I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back.
Straight out of the deep condition, and then I'm going to go ahead and start applying my stylers, which today I'm going to use the Hair Milk Moisturized by Carol's Daughter. This product claims to have deeply moisturizing effects, improves softness, prevents frizz, and it contains agave, shea moisture, and it says it is for curls, coils, kinks, and waves, and it's supposed to be a nourishing and conditioning. Okay, and also in addition to that, sorry, my brother came in, I'm going to apply the Wet Line Xtreme gel. I told y'all I'm so excited about trying this gel. I've seen so many good reviews, and so I want to make sure that, you know, it's not clickbait, that it's not catfish. And so I'm gonna try it out on my own for you guys, and we are going to put this thing to the test and determine, is it actually what it says? Does it actually live up to all the hype? Because my hair is already drying, I'm going to apply some of just water in a bottle out of the sink. I am gonna split my hair into 4 quadrants. I do have a lot of hair, and so I find it best to split my hair into quadrants when doing my hair. It just works better that way for me. So I'm gonna split into 4. So for applying these products, I'm pretty much just going to comb my hair through with my Denman brush, and then after, I'm just going to apply the products and kind of just rake it through. I know many people do the shingling method. I don't really have the time today to do the shingling method, but I may do some. But like I said, we'll see what I end up actually doing, right?
On my own, but I don't know why you hit the road, but you don't realize I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back. I don't know why she told me it's not your fault.
And always remember to start at the ends of your hair and work your way up to the midsection of your hair to reduce breakage and all of that. I'm gonna follow that up with my Denman brush. And if y'all notice that I'm looking off to the side, it's because I have a mirror right over here. And so I want to make sure that I can see, but also that y'all can see what I'm doing. So a little bit about this Carol's Daughter hair milk. It has like a minty smell, which I don't mind, but the product seems to be really watery, which I do mind. I like a thicker consistency because I feel like it almost just rolls off my hair sometimes. If the product is not a thicker consistency, and also it doesn't retain the moisture that I want. So we'll have to see how this product works with this wash and go. Kind of shingling right now. Just to see. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and go through the other section and then move my way up to the top, and then I'll come back. Okay guys, this is the final add of product. I went ahead again and added the Xtreme Wet Line Gel with the Carol's Daughter Hair Milk Moisturizer. I ended up doing more raking on this side, more of the raking method. And then I did more of the shingling method on this side. I noticed that this side, of course, is a little bit fluffy because I did do that shingling method, where because I raked over here, it's more flat. But we're gonna see how both of these come out so I can know which one I like more. I got this little one kind of flying over here. I'm going to add this Jamaican black castor oil from Ultimate Originals Therapy. I just picked it up in local beauty supply stores so that my scalp is rejuvenated and has some oil to not get dry throughout the week. I plan on wear this wash and go hopefully 5 days, maybe 4. We'll see how long it actually lasts. But so far, I am liking the way that it's looking. It does look super defined. So yeah, back to the blow drying.
Never wonder what's the truth in your mind.
sculpting some of this hair out, I'm actually super surprised because I'm not even seeing any flakes. Like, y'all, the height might be real. Like, while it is on the crunchy side, I don't know how I feel about that yet. I do feel like this wash and go might have some time to last, but it might still hold up tomorrow and for some time this week. So I will stretch this out a little bit just because I do obviously have some shrinkage, and I like for my hair to have more volume as well. So if y'all would like to know how I do that, please leave comments down below. And so once I do that, I'll come back and show y'all the final look, okay? But this is where we're at right now. This is the side that I did more of the raking method. This side, I did more of the shingling method. As you can see, it's more defined, and it also has like more volume over here, which I really like. So I might have to just start shingling more. This one is more flat, but also I noticed that the curls seem longer on this side, which I really appreciate. So I'm kind of torn. I actually like both of them. I'll give y'all one more look at the back before I come with the full view.
I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to pull me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back when you're around.
Hi everyone, this is the final review for the Wet Line Gel Extreme and also the Carol's Daughter Hair Milk. I did both of them as a combo to do a semi-wash and go, but you know that was not an actual wash and go because it does take some time, and so many people call it wash and go, but I just don't get it. But anywho, I did that product. This is my day 2 of my wash and go stop kind of situation. And I would like to say that I love the product mixed together. I was a little conflicted about the Carol's Daughter because it was very like watery, but the product worked amazing. Like, my curls are still really defined. The gel from the Wet Line Extreme brand really kept my curls defined and held them together. It was a little like hard whenever I got done doing the sit on the dryer, but after that, I mean, as I pulled it out, it did get softer. And so I would recommend that if you don't like that hard texture, go ahead and start like pulling it out, or not like the product, but pulling out your curls, and you'll see that it gets looser and it's still super defined, and I think it's still gonna be a lasting wash and go. And so I really love this product, and this is my first time using it. I know I was skeptical about a lot of different influencers saying that it did work, but now I can see why they literally use this product in all of their different wash and goes, because it does. It helps solidify and keep your curls tight. And when I say it, I mean the Wet Line Extreme. It's an awesome brand. I got it at Walmart. I think this little 8.82 ounce container might have been like $2, maybe less. I do plan on going to go back and get the bigger one because, as you can see, I love it. My curls are super defined. I didn't end up pulling out my curls as much as I thought I would. I didn't do the method that I usually would. So if y'all would like to see that method, please let me know down in the comments down below, and I'll get that recorded and ready for you guys. Other than that, I mean, look, y'all. Like, look at all this definition all the way around. Like, fabulous. It looks amazing all the way around, and it feels great, and I know that it's gonna last. And so I'm going to keep y'all up to date with kind of how this goes, either in this video or in another one. I will let y'all know how this last, because sis, the curls are popping. So again, go ahead and make sure y'all go and buy this product. Again, if you have not already joined the family, go ahead and subscribe down below, hit the bell icon so that every time I upload a video, you will know first. And also make sure you comment if you have any feedback or anything that you want me to try. Comment down below. Remember to share this video and give it a thumbs up. And again, I appreciate your support. We're gonna have so much content coming on this channel, so make sure you guys are plugged in. And until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.